Hello, welcome back to Haradeli Wisdom Kitchen. Thank you for inviting us into your space. Today I'm coming to you from Nairobi, Kenya. This is my niece. You've seen her before. She has a special recipe she's ready to show you. So thank you for joining us and enjoy.
Welcome. Carrots and grated them. And we have flour, all-purpose flour, 3 cups. And then we have baking powder. I'll use 3 tablespoons. A pinch of salt, 1 cup of sugar. We have our eggs that I have separated the yolk from the egg white.
How many eggs?
I used 3 eggs.
So what's the first thing we do?
We will start with the wet ingredients. I'll start by mixing.
How many eggs did you say?
3 eggs.
Okay. So what's the point of separating them at first?
To make the cake fluffy.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I'll add my sugar here.
Oh,
And the
okay.
eggs.
Okay, that's the cup she uses to measure the sugar.
There is one important ingredient that I have to use. It's cooking oil, and I'm going to use 3/4 cup. Yeah. So these 2 ingredients, I'm going to add them here into my eggs. Both the sugar and the oil. But I have to mix it first. After mixing the eggs and the sugar, I'll add the oil. Cooking oil.
So you start with all the wet ingredients first.
Yes.
Do you use any milk?
Yes, I'll use it at the end. So to my dry ingredients, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Just this much. And 3 tablespoons of baking powder.
3.
And then mix. So at this point is where I add my wet ingredients. Then I'll use a wooden spoon to mix. It's easier when you use the wooden spoon instead of spoon.
Okay. It's easier and faster.
Yeah. We have to preheat the oven. So I'll preheat my oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. In music we say poco a poco.
Oh yes, and that's another thing too. She's actually a music teacher.
Yeah. As we're adding water, we remember that the water is should be cold, not warm.
There you go.
Thank you, Mama.
Oopsie. Thank you for what?
Reminding us.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say I'm Maureen.
I'm Maureen.
That's my other niece. Rosie's sister. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be. Able lift, let's see the consistency. Okay. Alright.
And I'll mix to one side to trap the bubbles.
Okay.
Yeah, not to burst them.
Oh. Okay.
You know what I mean?
I guess.
Yeah. So after mixing, I'll add my carrots.
All of them.
Yeah.
Okay. How many carrots you said? 3?
4.
4, okay.
4 medium size.
4 medium-sized carrots grated.
Yeah.
I like that you use grated carrots. Oh, to create bubbles so that it cooks on the inside.
Yes, that's the
I
trick.
see. Okay.
So the last ingredient should be vanilla essence if you'd like, or any other kind of flavor. But for now, I'm not going to use any flavors.
Okay. So that's optional, right?
Yeah, it's optional.
Okay. Flavoring is optional.
For the baking, I will use this pot and I'm going to butter it with margarine.
Okay.
And I'll use this flour so that the cake does not stick on the pot.
Okay.
So I'll use this much butter. I mean, just apply all over.
Okay. Okay. Rosie, why this cake? Why do you like this cake so much?
I just love it. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite. Your favorite cake is carrot cake.
One of my favorites.
Ah, okay.
I love cake, by the way.
You do.
I do.
You actually like sweet things.
I do.
She has a sweet tooth, yeah. Chocolates and all. That's her language. But thank you for doing this for us.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you for including me in your YouTube channel.
This is the second time actually. Like I said, you've seen her face before.
Yeah.
We'll pin the first video. You really liked her, so I thought, okay, let's do it again.
I'm doing this so that the flour can go.
It can spread all over.
Yeah, spread all over where the margarine is.
So the oven will beep, Cynthia, or how do we know?
Yeah.
It should beep.
Yeah.
Well, here we are, ready to pour the butter in the pot. Right. Here we go, just putting it in the oven. Da-da-da-da. Okay, and then how long are we going to time it for?
For 1 hour.
We're going to time it for an hour. Okay, so that's an hour that you set. Okay, sweet. So here the carrot cake has just started baking. We will see you in an hour. Okay, our cake is ready. Let's open the oven and see what it looks like.
So now I'll use this knife to check whether the cake is
ready.
baked. Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's actually clean. Good. Oh, that looks really good. Ooh, it looks so yummy. And the little girls are ready. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that looks good. It is big. Wow. Ooh.
Daisy bubbles.
Oh, wow.
It's
Love for a cave.
yeah.
Oh. Watch our cake. Watch our
cake. Ooh, that looks so good. It's nice. Yay, we can't wait to try it. Ta-da-dan! Cake cutting. Aha. Wow, it is fluffy indeed. Look at the carrots with the details. Wow. Very nice. Good girl. Cheers.
Okay.
It's good. It's indeed really, really good.
Thank you so much for watching. The cake is so nice. I hope you try it. So nice.
Thank you again. Thank you. And please, if you haven't,
Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank
you heard her. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day. Okay, there we go.